Okay, for 57, they're saying that there's a function f of x, which is x squared. So they're telling you how to substitute in values. So basically, when we say f of 4, it means put a 4 in for x here and see what you get. It's called function notation. So the function we're going to use for this whole problem is f of x equals x squared. So for a, what we do is we say f of x equals x squared, and we're looking for f of 1, right? Which means put a 1 in for x, so we get 1 squared. So f of 1 comes out to be 1, right? Basically, this is saying if this were written as, well, I'm just going to write this here, y equals x squared, it's saying evaluate this when x equals 1, and then we would get y equals 1. So same thing, this is just function notation. Okay, so for b, we have f of x equals x squared. F of negative 3 equals. Now, when I have negatives, I need the parenthesis there, right? Because x is negative 3. So f of negative 3 equals negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And for c, we have f of x equals x squared. And in this case, they want f of t. Well, that just means put t in wherever you see x, right? And you can't go any further because t squared, you can't really do anything with that.